Hi there, my name is Jane. Growing up, money was a topic shrouded in mystery and a bit of anxiety in my family. We lived comfortably, but financial discussions were always held behind closed doors. My parents made sure I had everything I needed, yet there was an unspoken understanding that money was tight and required careful handling. It wasn't until I ventured out on my own that I truly began to grasp the intricacies of personal finance. Through trial, error, and a few critical lessons, I managed to transform my financial life. Here are the key insights that changed everything for me. 1. The Wake-Up Call Budgeting 101. My journey began in college when I received my first credit card. The allure of easy money was too tempting, and I quickly found myself with a balance I couldn't pay off. The realization hit me hard when I had to face the hefty interest charges. It was a harsh introduction to the world of debt, but it was also a necessary wake-up call. I knew I had to learn to manage my finances better. I started with the basics, budgeting. I sat down with a notebook and listed all my income sources, including part-time jobs and allowances from my parents. Then I listed my expenses from rent and groceries to entertainment and clothing. The numbers were eye-opening. I realized I was spending more than I earned, a recipe for financial disaster. Creating a budget was the first step toward taking control of my finances. I allocated a specific amount to each category and stuck to it religiously. I learned to prioritize needs over wants, cutting back on non-essential spending. This discipline not only helped me manage my money better, but also instilled a sense of financial responsibility that stayed with me. 2. The power of saving, paying yourself first. With a budget in place, I turned my attention to saving. The concept of paying yourself first was a revelation. I learned that before paying any bills or making any purchases, I should set aside a portion of my income for savings. This approach ensured that I always saved something, no matter how tight my budget was. I opened a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers each month. Watching my savings grow was incredibly satisfying and provided a safety net for unexpected expenses. Over time, this habit of saving became second nature. It taught me the importance of financial security and the peace of mind that comes with having a cushion to fall back on. The investment journey, making money work for me. As my savings grew, I realized that simply stashing money away wasn't enough. I needed to make my money work for me. This led me to the world of investments. Initially, the stock market seemed daunting, filled with jargon and complexities. However, I was determined to learn. I started small, investing in mutual funds and index funds that offered diversification and relatively low risk. I educated myself through books, online courses, and financial news. I learned about the importance of compound interest and the long-term benefits of staying invested despite market fluctuations. My first foray into investments was a roller coaster of emotions, but it paid off. I saw my money grow at a rate that a regular savings account could never match. Investing taught me patience and the value of thinking long-term. It also showed me that risk, when managed properly, could lead to substantial rewards. 4. Debt management, the road to freedom. While I was learning about investments, I was also grappling with the debt I had accumulated in college. I had student loans and credit card debt that seemed insurmountable. Managing debt became a crucial part of my financial journey. I researched various debt repayment strategies and settled on the snowball method. This approach involved paying off the smallest debts first while making minimum payments on larger ones. Each small victory provided the motivation to tackle the next debt. Over time, I saw my balances shrink and eventually disappear. Becoming debt-free was one of the most liberating experiences of my life. It taught me the importance of living within my means and avoiding unnecessary debt. It also underscored the significance of having a solid repayment plan and sticking to it. 5. The importance of financial education, continuous learning. One of the most valuable lessons I learned was the importance of continuous financial education. The world of personal finance is ever evolving, with new tools, strategies, and challenges emerging regularly. Staying informed became a priority. I made it a habit to read financial books, follow blogs, and attend seminars. I subscribed to newsletters from reputable financial advisors and stayed updated on market trends. This ongoing education not only improved my financial acumen, but also helped me make informed decisions. 6. Building multiple income streams, diversifying my earnings. Relying on a single source of income felt risky, especially after experiencing the uncertainty of the job market. I realized the importance of diversifying my income streams to achieve financial stability and growth. I explored various avenues, including freelance work, investing in rental properties, and starting a small online business. Each new venture came with its own set of challenges and learning curves, but they also provided additional sources of income. This diversification not only boosted my earnings, but also reduced my financial stress. Building multiple income streams taught me the value of resilience and adaptability. It showed me that financial security isn't just about earning more, but about creating opportunities and being proactive in seeking them. 7. The role of mindset, cultivating a wealth mindset. Throughout my journey, I realized that mindset played a crucial role in financial success. Shifting from a scarcity mindset to a wealth mindset transformed the way I approached money. Instead of seeing money as something scarce and elusive, I began to view it as a tool for creating opportunities and achieving goals. This shift in mindset was accompanied by positive affirmations and goal setting. I set clear financial goals, from saving a certain amount each year to investing in specific assets. I visualized my financial success and took actionable steps towards it. This positive outlook not only boosted my confidence, but also made the journey more enjoyable. 8. Giving back, the joy of philanthropy. As I became more financially secure, I realized the importance of giving back. Philanthropy became a significant part of my financial journey. I started by donating to causes I cared about and gradually became more involved in charitable activities. Giving back provided a sense of fulfillment that money alone couldn't offer. It reminded me of the bigger picture and the impact I could make in the world. Philanthropy also reinforced the importance of gratitude and generosity in my life. Balancing enjoyment and responsibility. Living a balanced financial life. One of the most important lessons I learned was the need to balance enjoyment with financial responsibility. For a long time, I was so focused on saving and investing that I neglected to enjoy the fruits of my labor. It took a while to realize that financial health isn't just about accumulating wealth, but also about enjoying life. I started allocating a portion of my budget for experiences and activities that brought me joy, such as traveling, dining out, and pursuing hobbies. This balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present made my financial journey more fulfilling. Living a balanced financial life taught me that money is a means to an end, not an end in itself. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations while ensuring financial security. A journey of growth and transformation. 10. My journey through personal finance has been one of growth, learning, and transformation. From the initial wake-up call of budgeting to the liberating experience of becoming debt-free, each lesson has shaped my financial philosophy and practices. Saving diligently, investing wisely, managing debt, and continuously educating myself have all contributed to my financial success. Building multiple income streams, cultivating a wealth mindset, and giving back have added depth and meaning to my financial journey. Balancing enjoyment with responsibility has made the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Personal finance isn't just about numbers and strategies. It's about creating a life of security, freedom, and fulfillment. It's about making informed decisions, taking control of your financial future, and using money as a tool to achieve your goals and dreams. Looking back, I'm grateful for the lessons I've learned and the experiences that have shaped my financial journey. They've not only transformed my financial life, but also enriched my overall well-being. As I continue to grow and evolve, I'm excited to see where this journey will take me next. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or share this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.